This tutorial is how to get your Procreate brushes that you purchased on Etsy into the Procreate app. And I'll be showing you this on Procreate 4. So this may or may not change in the future. Now you're going to need to open Etsy from a website browser. So I'm using Safari, but you can use Chrome or other website app that you have on your iPad. So after you log in, you're going to tap on your icon in the top right and then hit Purchases and Reviews. This will bring you to a screen that looks similar to this, where you can see all of your downloadable purchases, and then you're just going to tap the one you want to download. So I'm going to take this first one here, and you're going to get a screen that looks something like this. Now you can tap and open in Procreate, but I'm just going to show you what more looks like. So if you're using an iPhone, you can use the Copy to Pocket app, or other app that you want to save it, but we're just going to hit open in Procreate. Now, up on the right hand side in your brush menu, you're going to tap that to open it, and you can see that the brush automatically downloaded right to your imported brushes menu. Now what I like to do is tap on that title of the brush and add who it's from, because later if I like to credit the person or shop that I bought it from, I often forget, because I download so many brushes, that I like to have a little reminder. So I just put their initials or name to give myself a quick reminder of where I got the brush from. Now you can go back, hit the back button on your browser, and you can download the rest of them. So I'm going to download the second Heavenly brush and do the same thing again. I'm going to tap open in Procreate. And there you can see the Heavenly brush, and I'm just going to rename that again. And this is shout out to Jenny Golan. I love her brushes and her Etsy shop, so you might want to give her a visit. And now what I like to do is duplicate that brush, because I save my brushes to the imported, but then I like to organize them a little bit. So I'm going to move these just by tapping and holding and pulling it out, and then with your other hand, tap the other brush, and that will pull it over and stack it. So now you have one that you can, one stack that you can move around, and I'm just going to hover over where I want it and then drop them in. So I did this previously, so now you can see I have actually two copies. So if I swipe to the left of this on the brush, you can delete each one of these, so now I don't have those duplicates in that folder. Or you can swipe and share it. Now I like to add these to my Dropbox or Google Drive or your iPad files, wherever you like to save your brushes. That way you have a backup of your backup. Okay, so you would just tap wherever you want to save it, and the file where you'd like to save it to. And I saved mine to Dropbox, so there you have it, export successful. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.